Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Invoice Maker, Invoices, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Invoice Maker, Invoices, is a mobile invoicing and billing app designed for freelancers, small business owners, and entrepreneurs. The app enables users to create professional invoices, estimates, and receipts quickly with customizable templates. It also offers multi-currency support, tax calculations, client management, automated payment reminders, PDF export, and real-time payment tracking. Its offline functionality and intuitive interface make it convenient for managing finances on the go. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its simplicity, fast invoice generation, and organized client management features. The app allows users to track payment statuses, send reminders, and maintain a clear record of all transactions. Many users also like the flexibility of templates and the ability to export invoices in multiple formats. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features may require a subscription, which could be a limitation for small-scale users. A few users have reported minor syncing issues or limitations in offline mode. Additionally, while it's robust for invoicing, it may not replace a full accounting suite for larger businesses. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Invoice Maker, Invoices, app may be worth using if you need a simple, mobile-friendly tool for creating and managing invoices. It excels in ease of use, customization, and real-time tracking. However, if you need more comprehensive accounting features or advanced integrations, it may have some limitations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.